What's up, guys? Welcome back to Sip and Dip with Chelsea. On this hand here, that was featured during my last upload, so if you didn't see that, go check that out. It is all products by 10 by Tina, but in today's video, we are going to be talking about a product that is really special. So this product was a collaboration between Marla Chris and Shameless Nails. So in honor of PTSD Awareness Month, they created a color called Thrive. This shade symbolizes healing and the light at the end of the tunnel, and 15% of the purchase price of every jar of Thrive is going to be donated to the PTSD Foundation of America. I'll be using Manny Boss liquids today, and then here is Thrive. So when cold, Thrive is a deep teal, it's got shimmer, it's got foil flakes, and then when it's hot, it goes to a white light blue shade. So you're basically getting 2 in 1. I do want to put a disclaimer out there that today's Dip into Kindness episode is going to be covering some heavy topics. So without further ado, let's go start dipping. So today's episode is about a principal of Leo Catholic High School in Chicago. While he was visiting another school campus, he saw a bunch of t-shirts hanging from clotheslines. They were covered in messages about sexual violence, surviving it, combating it, raising awareness about it, and it inspired him. He decided that he wanted to do this as well at his own school. He reached out to other nearby principals, and 9 of them agreed and wanted to do the same thing. So the directions to the students were simple and profound. All they had to do was make a visual representation of how they felt about violence. They had no parameters, whatever they wanted to do, whether that be a memorial for the loss of a loved one or anything. The principal described the shirts hanging around the campus as beautiful yet haunting, that it was devastating but hopeful. It was a reminder that far too many of Chicago's children are living with trauma and fear that the city hasn't begun to sufficiently acknowledge, let alone alleviate. So some of the shirts said, "Love, not pain." Another one said, "Action, it starts with a conversation." And this one is the one that really just hit home for me. And it said, "Violence is a disease. You don't cure a disease by spreading it to more people." And these are all shirts, you guys, from kids. These are words from them, their experiences, their life, and they are living this. So the principal goes on to say that during all of the social unrest last summer, during all of the violence, we never heard from the children. They never had a voice in this whole process. It's always things being done to them, things being done for them, but never with them. So he actually keeps his school open all summer. He wants the students to have a place to come hang out that's safe. The library is open, the weight room is open, everything is open. And he actually goes in and has conversations with them and a friendship with them, and he views them as family. But he said even with that, the experiences and the bond and the conversations that he's had with his students, he still was shook to his core by these shirts. He felt like, how many times has he not given them a platform to speak their mind? And he's all about hearing his boys, because it's an all-boys school, talk. But he felt like he's missed opportunities to give them the space to express themselves publicly. And he was kind of devastated to see all of the things they had to say, and he's never known. So I want to leave you with one final quote from this article and this principal. He said that we are looking at these problems from the top down. The solution is in this building. These kids are all awesome. Pour into the children. That's how you create a society. We talk a lot about how to solve violence in Chicago. Ask these kids. This article just gives you just such a different perspective and makes you reflect, look back, and realize how much we need to step back and start at the foundation, which is our children, and doing things right in our home, and that is our future. As a mother, all I can do and dream of is that I raise my girls to have loving and accepting hearts, and that they understand and they live life with gratitude because they don't experience these things. And that is something we have to remind our own children of, how lucky they are that they don't live this trauma, because these children who are writing these deep, awful things on these shirts, that's their reality, and it just breaks my heart. And I know this probably doesn't feel like a kindness episode. I know it's supposed to be a feel-good story, but I want to remind you of the true hero in all of this, besides the children that wake up every day and choose hope, is this principal who is giving them somewhere safe to be and an outlet to express themselves through the violence and the tragedy and escape their own realities. My heart goes out to anyone and everyone who has or is suffering from PTSD. My messages are always open to you. I will always lend a listening ear, and I hope that you know that you are loved and we care about you and you matter. So I chose this particular story because it really resonated with what I felt, that this dip powder, Thrive, the message behind it, symbolizing healing and the light at the end of the tunnel, was exactly what these children and this principal embodied. And it just felt so right. It felt like this was the story I was meant to share with this dip powder. And I hope that in some way, shape, or form that you guys can let this story kind of touch you the same way it touched my own heart. And hopefully, if you love this color, you will go purchase it, because the proceeds do go to the PTSD Foundation of America. And I think that's so phenomenal. And I commend Marla and Shameless Nails for putting this all together. This was my first time trying out their clear. It's a new product for them, and I will say perfect. Per usual, everything was great. It's very light, it's not dense, it's not grainy. I didn't experience any yellowing, and yeah, 2 thumbs up, super clear. And I do want to mention that this Thrive shade was so easy to use. It did not stain my skin. It's pretty much per their usual 1 coat coverage kind of dip. And that's all of their products. If you haven't tried any of their other dip powders, they are phenomenal. You can pretty much get away with 1 layer, which is unheard of. The quality is amazing. I can't say enough great things about this company. So circling back to being grateful and raising our children with grateful hearts, I actually shared this on my Instagram story a little while ago, but I wanted to share it here too. I started journaling, and I got my daughter, who's 6 years old, a journal as well, and it's all about gratitude. So the adult one has different questions every day that it asks you, such as, what is something that you've always wanted to do that you have the opportunity to do today? Or who is someone in your life that makes you smile? Or what is something that you learned from a difficult situation? And it asks you these amazing questions that make you reflect, and it has positive quotes in it. And there's also a children's one it's not the same company, but it's just one I found on Amazon. I'll have all of them linked down below too, by the way. But the children's one asks them things that they're grateful for, and to draw a picture or to describe something that they were grateful for that day. And it circles their emotions. And then after a few days, it has a little task that they can do in a way to have a random act of kindness. And I think it's so great. It's so fun. She looks forward to it, and I look forward to it, to sit with her each afternoon and we just kind of talk about our day. It really does help me slow down and change my perspective if I wake up having a rough day, or kind of teaching her what to be grateful for, and not just writing about toys, but also about the people in our lives as things to be grateful for. I have always been a dip powder liquid top coat kind of gal, and here lately I find myself grabbing this more and more often. This is the Manny Boss 2-in-1 gel base and top coat that is also HEMA free. And it's so fast to use. You just put this on, cure for 60 seconds, and you are done. There's no drying, there's no waiting. Your brush isn't gonna harden, and it's just so much easier and so convenient, and it doesn't yellow. I haven't noticed any yellowing with this. I typically don't like to film on my non-dominant hand because, as you can see, I am moving slow as molasses, and this is sped up one notch, and that's how slow I move. So if you ever feel like when you're doing your nails at home that it takes you forever, and if you go to a salon it would be so much faster, just as a this is so relatable moment, I move super slow too. And if I don't move slow, then it's gonna look like that. And it's gonna look super rushed and lumpy and bumpy and all over the place. So don't feel bad. I do it too. And this is exactly why I don't normally film on that hand. So this one is lemonade ice, and it smells just like the name. It's not overpowering. I don't normally gravitate towards those sweet scents, but this was in one of the trios that she just dropped, and it's my favorite out of this trio. It's so good, so light, but so yummy. So I know today's video got a little heavy at some parts, but I think that is exactly why it was so necessary to share this story, that through the darkness, through the tragedy and the violence, that these children and this school and these principals are coming together to bring light to their lives. And that is exactly what this dip powder and the contributions of it are going to do. And I could not be any more grateful that I even get to be a part of it and to have this platform to share it. So thank you guys for being here, for listening to these stories, and everything you guys do to support me and my channel. So thank you so much. Also, this is the color of it hot. I just went and dipped my hands in lava water. That's why my skin is bright red now. But I wanted to show you guys how pretty it is in the transition to warm. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.